About this item: musical note multifunction USB-C 3.5mm audio adapter. This USB-C to auxiliary adapter enables you to listen musics and answer phone calls with your headphone. Besides, it also supports wire control function, such as microphone volume control, pause and play functions, playing games, plug and play, which are very easy to use. Musical note super noise reduction technology and hi-fi sound quality. This USB-C headphone adapter adopts super noise reduction technology to offer high-quality audio output. Built-in independent DAC DAC rider chip maintains high sound quality without loss in audio quality. Musical note relief strain design, made of premium aluminum alloy shell connector and nylon braided cable. This USB to 3.5mm jack audio adapter can stand twists, pulls, and daily bends up to 20,000 plus bending tests, which makes this adapter much more durable. Musical note wide compatibility, wider compatibility than other Type-C to 3.5mm adapters, compatible with most of the Type-C phones. Galaxy S23/S23 Plus/S23 Ultra/S22/S22 Plus /S22 Ultra/S21/S21 Plus/S21 Ultra/S20 Ultra/S20 Face/S20 Z Flip /S20 Plus/S20/S10/S9/S8 Plus, Note 20 Ultra/20 Plus/20/10 Plus/10/9/8, Pixel 6 Pro/6/5/4/3/2/2XL/3XL/4XL iPad Pro, Huawei Mate 10 Pro/20 Pro/30 Pro/40 Pro P20/20 Pro/30 Pro/40/40 Pro/50/50 Pro OnePlus 7/7T/7 Pro/8/8 Pro/8T/9